The nexus of forces is things that are going to make a very important impact on the business itself and the way that we can become more competitive. The people who would start thinking in this way by integrating all the four forces that you see today on our model: the mobile, the social, the cloud, and information.
With Gartner, we have introduced the theme of this year, the nexus of forces, which is a combination of cloud, mobile, social, and information, or the big data. The nexus of forces reflects how people want to interact with each other.
But in my opinion, technology is one of the best means to break many barriers, and technology can help business and foster the society and the families. And many voices who see the negative aspect of technology have different opinions, but basically I believe that technology is the most important part of our life. A few years ago,
so looking at strategy, we break it down into three areas: demand, supply, and control. Demand is what the business demands from IT. And it's very important that you focus on that and you understand that. So you understand the business context of the company that you're in, if it's Nesma Airlines.
Our technology is very neutral. Let me make sure I get the right buttons here. So this is PHP, Java, Ajax, which means it's pretty much open source technology. We're not an open source company in the sense that we don't give out our source code, but we do use open source tools to develop it. Why? Because it's actually amazing technology and it is extremely portable. We can deploy this on any environment, any operating system, any hardware, and that's what you as a client would need in the end.
How many of you been through a scenario where you want to contact someone from some other Nesma company, but to get his right contact details, you are calling several persons and then you end up with the right details? How many have you been through that?
Many times for me.
And what if you join in between a project which is already in progress and you wish if you could get access to all of the project documents and information somehow in some means easily and quickly so you can get familiarized with the project and the current status of it? How many have you been through that?
Remember the time when you first joined Nesma? Or if you had to move from one Nesma company to the other company? Wouldn't it be wonderful if you have access to all the information that you need to know about your company? The policies and procedures, work templates, your job profile, your team's documents, project histories, or even you can know everything you need about everyone in your company.
So, with NextThink, we believe people are losing control of their infrastructure, of their applications. You may call it positive control as people move more and more to the cloud. There's one extreme view that says that data centers eventually will have no servers. But, to be honest, currently we have a mix and match between that dream and this fact. But on the end user side, we are facing pretty much the same challenges. We have a lot of people, you hear a lot about BYOD, bring your own device. People want to bring their own devices. We have the mobility, people want to use their tablets. People want to use their mobile devices. And we have desktops, and we have virtual desktops.